Welcome back. I'm Brianna, and you will be seeing more of Glitzy Globes. So as you can see here, I've got a Carousel Glitzy Globe showcase. On the back, it includes all these items in the box. And now I'm going to take it apart. Here we have got a super flowery water bottle, so you can squirt into little holes in the Glitzy Globes, and you can fill it up. Oh, wow, we have got the cute little Glitzy Globe figures. Look at their little faces. They are so cute. So we're going to put them down here. Here is the glitter pellets. We have got the big mega dome and the ponies. And here we have got the Glitzy Globe maker that puts the Glitzy Globes together. Got the stand. And now we have got our cases, which some of them have fallen out. Here is the base. Oh, wow! Look at all the stars on it. It is so detailed. And you can fit 10 of your Glitzy Globes in this. And plus the Mega Dome, which equals 11. First, I'm going to make one of the characters. Now, I'm going to show you some stuff in more detail. If I can open it. So, here we got a cute little piggy. Oh, and a so cute little orange bunny. Super cute little bow and everything. Then we have got a lovely elephant and a lovely purple kitten. So cute! It couldn't get much more cuter than this. And we have got a super cute little pink kitten. And a little adorable pony. Okay, so now I'm going to take one of them to make. So first we're going to open this up. Oh my gosh, this is super adorable. You can make your own Glitzy Globes in it. So first I'm going to pick a base. Right. Oh my gosh, look at this little adorable elephant. And it so deserves to be the first Glitzy Globe made. So we're just going to pop it on the stand. You take one of the small domes, and then we're going to open the glitter. It is so glittery. Look at it. Wow, I hope it doesn't go. Okay, it's so glittery. Look at this glitter pellets. They dissolve in the water after a long time. And then we're just going to get the toy packet out. It has got little gems in it, which you can add to your Glitzy Globe. Just make sure they don't fall out when you open it. Okay, it's much easier with scissors. You gotta be careful with them though, because they are very sharp. So we're gonna pick some of the little gems to put in your globe. So okay, so when you've picked them, you're gonna get your dough maker and put the dome in. Stick your character base on here. Then glitter gems. Gonna get the water bottle and fill it up. So make sure your gems don't fall out when you do this. Make sure your character is on the base. And push. It should work out. Super cute! How lovely! Look at that cute elephant. So adorable! I'm so gonna make more of these things. They are so cute. If you shake it around, it can be more glittery. So I think I'm gonna choose this base. And push it in. So now you can add a stick to it. This is so cute. Look at that little adorable elephant. It is so cute and adorable. Look at it. So now we're definitely going to make the Mega Dome next. Okay, now we're going to do the Mega Dome with some super cute ponies. So we're going to get it open. Look at them. They're so cute. I think they're going to have a very fun time in the big Mega Dome. So we're going to get them out. And here is the Mega Dome. So take them off. Be careful when you're cutting this bit off because you don't want to cut the things that keeps the water in. Okay, so now here are the bases. And we'll get these out. Okay, so I'm gonna push this into there now. I'm gonna add this, which is gonna hold it all up. And don't forget to choose your super cute characters to go in the dome. So, I'm gonna add the characters to the ponies. Then you put the ponies on here. Just make sure the characters are all facing the right way, else when you do your Mega Dome up, it won't look very nice. Whoops, wrong way. Whoops, wrong way again. Make sure they're pushed on. Now you get the glitter pellet, which is full of glitter, and pop it in the side. Then you push it on. Make sure it goes on well. So now we're going to put the water in. I think we need some more water. I now filled the bottle up. We'll hopefully have enough water to fill up the dome. we totally won't. I think that's full. Put the stopper in. Okay, now we twirl it around, and some glitter is already coming off the glitter pellet. Shake it. It will take a while for the glitter to dissolve. If you leave it, it will. Cutest thing about it, it has 6 characters in, unlike 1. So you get 3 carousel ponies, super cute, and then you get 3 super cute figures. And so we place that on there for the middle. You can see them going round. Now we put this one here. Now I've made my super cool mega dome and a super cute mini glitzy globe. So thanks for watching. Hope you had fun. I had fun certainly making the glitzy globes. I am super satisfied, and thanks for watching. Please leave a comment in the comment section. You have been watching Brianna unboxing glitzy globes, and see you in my next video unboxing 6 million Squinkies.